Hi, this is Mrs. Wyrick with Seminole County Virtual School. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough video for what you are to do for the 6.05 Plant Kingdom Diagram assignment. So first, you'll notice if you're using our template that you have 4 categories of plants. There's the non-vascular plants, seedless vascular plants, non-flowering plants, and then flowering vascular plants. So what you're going to do first is to choose one plant from each division. And you're going to use the internet to find a picture of that plant, and then you're going to insert that picture in the very top. Now the first section on this template is where you're going to enter the basic information. What is the common name of your plant? What phylum does it belong to? What is the genus name? And then the species name. So these bottom 3 are going to be part of the scientific classification for your organism, since we do talk about classification in this module as well. You're going to do a little bit of research on each type of plant. You're going to give a brief description of what this plant, where it lives, why it is in the category that it's in. That's really the next section. And are there any special adaptations that this type of plant has that maybe other types of plants that are not in that division have? In the lesson, there is a vocabulary review that's really helpful for those important adaptations that you'll find in different divisions of plants. So I would highly recommend that you take a look at that. And don't forget to include all of your sources while you're doing your research on the different plants. Those can be a bulleted point list down here. They do not have to be extra fancy, but you are always welcome to cite them properly. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.